Elephant and the Parrot. As usual, our question: does anyone know the author of this story? Friends, just think for a while and keep your answer ready. I will give my answer at the end of this short story. Therefore, keep watching.
The Elephant and the Parrot. Once upon a time, there was an elephant named Ellie who lived in the jungle. Ellie was big and strong, but she was also very lonely. She longed for a friend to share her adventures with. One day, as Ellie was wandering through the jungle, she heard a cheerful voice calling out to her. She looked up and saw a colorful parrot named Polly perched on a branch. Polly asked Ellie if she wanted to play a game of hide and seek. Ellie was thrilled and agreed. Polly counted while Ellie hid. When she finished counting, Polly flew off to find Ellie. She searched high and low, but she could not find her anywhere. Just as she was about to give up, she noticed Ellie's big ears peeking out from behind a bush. With a cheery peekaboo, Polly found Ellie and they both burst out laughing. From that day on, Ellie and Polly became the best of friends. They had many more adventures in the jungle and they always had each other to count on. Ellie was no longer lonely and Polly had found a friend she could always count on. They lived happily ever after.
The Elephant and the Parrot, and the author is... Well, the author of the story, The Elephant and the Parrot, is unknown. It is a common folk tale and has been passed down from generation to generation. Well friends, thank you for watching this video. You take care until I see you again with another video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my new channel. Take care.